Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can decrease or increase the speaking rate of spoken content on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Spoken Content. Then we scroll down to the speaking rate section and drag on the speaking rate slider bar. Drag it to the left will slower or decrease.
Speak selection, read selected content.
That will decrease the speaking rate. If you drag it to the right, that will increase the speaking rate.
Speak selection, read selected content. Speak selection, read selected. Speak selection, read selected content.
So make the necessary adjustment and then swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.